Hello, and welcome to today's yoga practice. If you're enjoying our practices together, feel free to subscribe and leave a comment for me to understand how is your process going. So today we will let go of our tension and most importantly, take our time. So let's start sitting on our knees, and with a breath in, let your arms slide up and let them glide down to your heart center. With intention, gentle bow, and move to your knees and hands, starting with a cat-cow, bringing breath into our body and movement. Breathe in, arch. Breathe out, curve. Breathe in, cow. Breathe out, cat. Let the movement travel through your whole body, feeling our toes and fingertips. And with a breath in, open your right arm and go through. Thread the needle. If you feel good about it, open your left arm and connect to a bind, bringing the arm behind you, grabbing that thigh. Opening the chest here, letting go, bringing attention to our hips. Make sure those sit bones are in the same side. And unwind. Open your arm, switch to the other side. Breathe in, open the arm, breathe out, thread the needle. Feel free to stay here. If that feels too much, you can place a block underneath your shoulder and your head. If you want to go further, connect to a full bind. Open the chest. Bring your attention inward. And with each breath, let go further. Allow yourself to enjoy your body stretching. Breathe in, bring your arm back. Breathe out, come back. Take your arms a little bit forward. Connect to a happy puppy pose. Stretching the spine. You can tuck your chin or touch the forehead to the ground. And if you want to increase the stretch a little bit, bring your arms up in the prayer pose. Opening the chest, opening the spine, finding that deep stretch under our armpits, our triceps. You might feel it even in your neck a little bit, upper back, and unwind. Let go, open your chest, and we're going for a scorpion pose, rotating the right leg, placing it behind us. Nice twist, release the tension. If you want to grab the leg behind you to increase the stretch and release the right arm up, opening that arm. If that feels good, you can grab the back leg. For me, that felt enough. So listen to your body and enjoy the stretch. Maybe connect to a gentle sigh to release the tension. Roll back forward to your stomach and step back with the left leg behind you. Gentle scorpion twist here. And feel free to connect your toes and your hand. And bring a deeper stretch, opening that arm, opening the chest. And connect to the sense of the whole body from your toe tips to your fingertips to the crown of your head as you go through the stretches. Listening to our breath. And coming back to the stomach, bringing your hips back and connect to a wild child pose. Stretch. Elevate your wrists for deeper stretch. Feel free to stay here or bring your arms down, or going for a child pose, bringing the knees together. Whatever feels good for today's practice. Feel free to wiggle your spine gently to release the tension in your neck. And just let the weight drop through your spine, through your thighs, and roll up slowly, vertebrae by vertebrae. And connecting to a butterfly stretch, gentle bend forward. Feel free to bow further or prep yourself with a pillow under your chest so you can really let go. Breathe to the back of your lower back. Breathe to the space of your glutes. Release the tension there. Release the tension in your shoulders. Long spine. And slowly roll up. Open the left leg, bring the right heel to your pubic bone, and revolted head to knee side stretch. Finding more space between our ribs. Release the tension in your neck, wiggle your head up and down. Placing elbow on the ground and maybe face up to the ceiling, up to the sky, opening the chest and shifting sides, bringing left heel to your pubic bone, grabbing the toe or shin, placing elbow on the ground, opening that chest, looking up to the sky. Creating more space in between our ribs as we roll up. Finding taller self. And for final stretch, restorative chest opener, feel free to place a block or roll or pillow underneath your chest. And if that feels good, let your head hang back, bringing knees together or bringing knees apart, butterfly opening. Or feel free to stretch your legs all the way and bring your arms above your head to deepen the stretch. Close your eyes. Listen to your inner processes. Slow down your breath. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in the light. Breathe out what no longer serves you. Breathe in. Breathe out. Bring your arms back. Take the pillow away or prop and just connect to a corpse pose. And feel the difference that happened in your body. Listen if you can let go further in your chest, in your jaw, behind your eyeballs, spaces between your toes. And slow down your breath even more. Let go. And feel free to stay there or gently roll through the side, finding yourself in easy cross-legged. Close your eyes and with a breath in, let your arms slide up and let them glide down to your heart center. Thank you for joining me today. Namaste.